1, 2, 3, 4, go!
Hi, I'm Stephanie, and welcome back to our kid video series. I'm from Mommy and Me Portrait Studios, and today I have my son James again with me. And guess what?
Yeah.
We're going to create, imagine, and discover. Discover! Today we are going to create a timeout bottle, but he's not going to know that because it's going to be like pretty and soothing, and I've heard that some people will actually use these for some autistic kids because it's something for them to concentrate and it helps calm them down. So that's what we're making today. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so first, the ingredients you're going to need are pretty simple. You just need a bottle of water, you need super glue, clear glue, glitter. You could pretty much use any kind of glitter, but more specifically, you want a fine glitter somewhere in there, and then food coloring. So you do want to empty some of your water from your bottle. You want to empty it out maybe about halfway just to be safe as you add your glue. So let's go ahead and add the glue. Come here, come help me. Now that we've done the glue, we're going to do our food coloring next. Which color would you like? Do you want purple, yellow, pink, or blue? You want blue. I feel like you pick blue on this show every time. Do you want blue?
Blue.
Okay, let's put blue. Okay, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
No.
7. Let's go with 7. And now we're gonna choose our glitters. So we're gonna put our funnel up top to make sure that there's less of a mess with the glitters. And we're gonna put this glitter in. And now we're going to add our super fine glitter. And the super fine glitter is really important because that's the part that's going to stay floating in the between for the kids. Because the heavier the glitter, the faster it will fall. Alrighty, so now we're going to screw on the top. And we're going to make sure that's tight. And we're going to shake it. You're going to shake it as much as you can, trying to get all that glue on the bottom to mix in. So you're going to spin it and all of that. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to actually let it sit for a few, so that you see all these bubbles up here. You want those bubbles to be gone and the water to be settled. And then you're going to top it off. And then we'll come back after that. Okay, so that probably took only about 5 minutes for it to settle. And we're going to take off the top. And we're going to put our funnel back in. And we're going to carefully top it off so that the water is basically as far up as you can go. This helps add to your time as well, making sure that you're not having too many issues with like air bubbles and stuff. Okay, and then we're going to take our crazy glue and we're going to glue our lid on so that way, especially like young kids, like 2-year-olds who are figuring out how to open like water bottles and stuff, aren't going to open this in your living room. Though I would suggest that this is a thing that you use only for like calming them down, so like with permission and stuff. Okay, we're gonna screw that on really tight. All right, and then there is your timeout bottle. So you shake it up and you let them watch it settle. And what I've done for my son is I've actually told him to watch it and tell me when the glitter is all done. And then that really helps to calm him down, and he tends to focus on that instead of focusing on what was making him upset. So it's been helpful in the home the few times I've used it. And yeah, you could do all different kinds of colors, and it's a lot of fun. So make sure that if you make them yourself, I would love to see the pictures on it. So make sure you visit us at our Facebook site and post those pictures if you make it yourself. And make sure to like and subscribe for this video if you like seeing this video and you want to see more. And we will catch you next time. Bye!